Ay, ay, ay.
Baby, if I'm gonna die, I want to die that way.
Really, baby?
Zipio's Jump Master League.
And Lulu.
And today we got the combination of both a DC character and a Marvel character going at it. That's my intro.
Wow.
All right, Black Widow versus Black Canary. And considering that both of them are going to be in two major movies, from Black Widow to The Birds of Prey, I thought this was a particularly cool video to react to.
Okay.
Some fans, I decided that I'm going to create my own what-if story if these two fought each other. It's really cool. Some of the other videos are pretty amazing. So I actually thought this one's pretty clever because both of these are, I would say, power level pretty comparable, but very different in terms of styles. But the one thing for sure they have in common is that they are both hot.
They're both hot.
Yes, they are both hot.
Okay.
They both like to wear black tight outfits.
Yeah, because
my
they're called
favorite.
Black. Tights.
All right, and away we go. Wow, that's some pretty impressive cinematic shots there.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Так, где мы остановились?
Ну ты нес какую-то чушь, а я делала вид, что мне интересно.
Ay, ay, ay.
Baby, if I'm gonna die, I want to die that way.
Really, baby? You haven't having sex with her yet and you're dead. You want that?
Yeah, let me rethink that.
At least have sex with her
Okay,
first.
Dinah. The target is on the 4th floor.
Oh, this girl is
She's moving southwest
built.
towards the elevators.
Jarvis, I've acquired the asset.
Very good. You have a target tracking you on the adjacent hallway.
Oh my, oh my.
She's in the stairwell. I just lost eyes on her.
Whoa, these ladies are not playing.
Come on, Dinah. That one got surprise.
Wait a minute, why would you run away with your gun? Shoot her! Oh, that didn't even phase her?
Stick your throat. Whoa!
I don't think she lasted. Alright, so why are they fighting to begin with? I'm not even sure about that reason.
Да пошла ты.
And Tess Keelhammer played Black Canary. And I have to say that the fan voting on this was so close. We had 51% for Black Widow and 49% for Black
Holy
Canary.
snikes, that was pretty impressive.
So they are real actors, right?
Well, I think they just got like high school friends, people off of Craigslist.
Like who
no.
wanna be? Like who wanna be?
Wait, what's a
Black
little bit
Widow
unclear for
and-
me is, are they actors and actresses or are they stunt people, right? Because this is a very fight heavy type of action. You know, they're throwing them down. They got some good form. I don't know if it's editing or if it's just the choreography. Like at times it looked really good and other times you could just kind of tell like they look like they don't know how to actually fight. There's a lot of action, enough action that I think, you know, pristine, flawless actresses would never want to get themselves into, right? Who will want to get hurt? That kind of thing. You know, this is an easy way to find out, right?
Google.
That's right. Tatiana
Tatiana.
Neva. Oh, she's
my.
definitely got a body. Look at that. Ooh la la. She does Wonder Woman. I can see that. Elektra. I could totally see that. Naughty Santa. I can see that too. So she's an actress then.
See?
Acting, modeling, art, spirituality. So there you go. Okay. But she looks like she's very, very fit though. Look at that. She's doing the punching bag sort of thing.
She can fight.
Yeah. She's
Look.
she's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, they both have physiques that suggest they do a lot of training. So maybe they are actors / stunt people, which is kudos to them. Very cool. And very cool that they allow the audience to kind of vote to say like who they think
Who's
they're going to
gonna
win,
win.
and boom, one win. But
That's a fun
that's
part.
a little bit of a sad ending that Black Canary took a bullet to the head. What did she do wrong? She's a good guy.
Is she? They're both good, huh?
Yeah, you know, they're both sometimes play bad characters, but mostly they're a good guy. I mean, Black Widow's is kind of gray area type of hero,
Yes,
right? 'Cause
'cause
she's a
she's an
spy and
assassin.
killer and assassin, yeah, right? And
Right.
call it what you will, but an assassin is a hero on one side and an enemy on the other side.
Exactly. You can never trust them.
Yes, you should never trust
Don't
women in
trust
black.
them. Yes.